dress code from that thrift shop down the road.
In 3, 2, 1, and we're live. Action.
Okay, I didn't see you there. Here we are doing a part 2 at the thrift store. Team Aidette. You've been looking for this. For your collection. It looks so cute.
Was this just a roasting session of Nate? Roast my boyfriend.
You told me that you look like a monkey.
You think you're so funny right now, laughing at your own self. I like that.
Okay, can you put it on the video? Please.
Got me fudged up and think I'm wearing that.
Oh my god, that's actually so fudging cute. For backup?
That is, you should get that. That's Victoria's Secret?
Y'all, this is the one. This is the one. This coat is so freaking cute. Fall is coming up, so this is like an oversized medium coat. It's like a suede material, and then the inside is fully lined with fur. It's only $10. Hop in. We're gonna get arrested. Can I get in there like a little child?
No, now that you cannot do. What is going on? For what? No, you're actually getting in the baby? Oh my god. Do it, do it, do it, do it.
Oh my god. You can have a little like teddy bear hat. Ready? Look, wait, it's right there. It's a little teddy bear. Thank you.
Put that on.
Oh my god. Babe, this is a freaking bargain. It's 95 cents. What y'all think?
Oh yeah.
We should go to the party tonight like this.
Wait, I gotta get mine too. Hold on, hold this.
What's up, y'all? So I mean, I got Gucci on my head. Ew. Ew. Stop! There's a Pokemon dress. Come back. You wanna wear this? I need to get out and explore. I feel suffocated. Wait, there's something. Look over there.
That's the only men's stuff they
I
have?
love the guy section though. Oh my gosh. Oh, I thought that was the skirt. Keep bringing my hat. Give me that hat. Is this really gonna reel in people?
Yeah.
Are you sure? No. Babe, do not let me go. Oh my god.
Yeah.
We're gonna get in trouble.
We definitely are.
We're gonna get kicked out.
Ooh.
No, stop it. That's mine.
No.
That is mine. I found it first.
No, you didn't. This is mine.
Okay, well, I'm gonna steal it from your closet.
No, you ain't.
Yes, I am.
Yeah. Serving looks. Ayy. Oh. I mean, you know what you know about it. What you know about it. Hey.
Oh my gosh. For $4. Are you chunking me?
What is that? Soccer team?
Is it?
Probably. You said say something interesting. Or she wants to. That's so you.
Yeah. What size is it?
XL.
XL?
That's what I'm saying.
For who?
For you. Hey, mama.
This is nice. Allie would really like this.
She would. She would love that actually. Oh, it's extra large. She would even love it more.
This is really freaking cute. It's only $3. And it's from Victoria's Secret. Oh, I know you want that.
Why do you think I want all these Christmas things right now? Like, oh, actually, Allie would love that unicorn.
You should let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Oh, cute. Good love and protection. Make me a selection to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you. Ooh, the vocals. So I am now in the jeans section, and I love this section because I can always get some really nice like Levi's, Calvin Kleins. You just have to really look hard and be patient. And guys, it was a pretty successful day. I didn't get as much as last time. Last time I literally spent $100 and got like 5 bags of stuff. This time I got a little bit of things, good quality things for $30. But when we get home, I will show you guys everything I got.
Eventually.
Alright, my angels, so it is the next day and I washed all my clothes. Pretty much my theme that I was going for was to get lots of nice coats and jackets since fall is approaching. So the first thing that I got is from Nautica, but it is very like good quality and thick, so I know that it's gonna keep me really warm, and it's actually really cute because it is just black and gray, and I feel like it's just gonna be a nice touch to a very plain outfit. Also, the inside is very cozy and warm. It has this lining inside. So this is the jacket here. I could either wear it oversized like this with a very plain outfit such as this
set right here, or I could do it a little bit off. This is the second purchase. This one is by Adidas, so I was very excited about this one because this is probably like a $70-$80 jacket. I'm not sure what team this is. It's a little bit faded, but I think that it gives it a little bit more character since it is vintage. So this is just an Adidas jacket, and it has the stripes down here and also has the orange, which is what caught my attention. And again, just with a plain outfit, you can just throw this on and it looks so much cuter. But for me, I would kind of wear it like a little bit off the shoulder and then one on the shoulder like this. Of course, I had to pick up a flannel. So this one's just pretty much an oversized men's shirt. This is where I got all of my stuff actually, in the men's section, because it's so much better. All the girl stuff is very fitted. The guy stuff is very cute and oversized for fall time. This is the look here, again with the plain outfit. And then for me, I would just wear it like this. And I love customizing my jeans, so I love to go to the jeans section. This time I actually didn't find many at all. I only found 2. So the first one that I found is by Gap. This is like a medium wash, and these are by Gap, so that was a very good find. We're gonna try to make these work. If they don't fit, then I can always just belt it up and it should be fine. If you guys are interested in me doing a DIY on how to make your own trendy boyfriend jeans, then definitely let me know, because I feel like that would be a very fun video. So I am planning to do that with these, and I really like the detailing of the buttons, how they button up like this. I just think that it gives it more of a vintage vibe. And the second jeans that I got are by Lei, L-E-I, and these are a very pretty color, and they did look like they were gonna fit me. This is what the back looks like. I really like this color. This has to be my favorite color in jeans, so I'm probably gonna make these into shorts, but these are also boot cuts, so maybe I could distress them up and make them like a little bit cuter, but we will see. I will show you guys in the DIY if you guys want me to do that for you guys. This is probably my favorite find, honestly, because it's just very furry inside. This was only $10. This was a very cheap find, but for a very great product. So it's still like very new. It does look a little bit more vintage around the lining here, but I really do like that rustic-ish look. It looks a lot better in my opinion. This fits really good. It's a size medium, so it does fit like a little bit baggier, which I do like. So you can either cuff it up or leave it be so it looks like this. So that is a wrap for my thrift haul, guys. If you guys liked this video and want me to do a part 3, let me know, and I will see my angels in my next video.